Welcome to Stover Industry Supplies, HETAS Approved Training Centre and Replacement Parts Specialists. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to use our glazed creosote prevention burn bags to remove and prevent any creosote build-up in your chimney. If your chimney sweep has recommended a GCP treatment, the treatment will last approximately 16 days dependent on the type of chimney and creosote build-up that you have. We recommend 7 days of consecutive burning followed by a sweep and an inspection. The reason for this is to clear any loosened deposits that could have fallen back down the chimney and could cause a blockage, followed by another 7 days of consecutive burning. In some instances, you may not need to use all the 14 bags, but always follow the advice given to you by your professional chimney sweep. To use the burn bags effectively, you will need to clear the grate and ash pan prior to lighting the appliance, and you will need a well-established fire to get the best results. If your fire is not hot enough, the treatment will not be as effective, and you will find that the residue from the bags will be in the ash pan. To get the best results, light the appliance and have it running for approximately 1 hour to ensure the firebox and flue are hot enough. Place some more fuel into the appliance and leave for approximately 20 to 30 minutes for the fuel to establish. If you can use a stovepipe thermometer, the ideal temperature is between 225 and 300 degrees Celsius, but always read the manufacturer's instructions, as some advise against the use of stovepipe thermometers. Safely place the whole bag into the appliance and leave it to burn for approximately 2 hours. Once the bag has burned through, you can continue to use your appliance as normal until you're ready to start the process again tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.